Дожди были.
Где солнце? Двинутый мягче на лицо.
Твой мобильник с той стороны все горит. Смотри. Прям горит все.
Это вот кто-то, блядь, окурок какой-нибудь выкинули?
Блядь.
Тихо.
Где он там?
Не видно даже дороги.
Привет, Фанатиков! А что, будут помогать?
Да, вряд ли.
Мимо поедут по-любому.
Хорош, бо тут яма. Тут яма, дивись. Яма тут, не беріть близько до бордюри.
It's hard to count million hectares of land in the region of Yakutia, leaving scorched earth in their wake. And the fire season is only just beginning. Thousands of firefighters are working around the clock to get the blazes under control. Right now, that wind is driving the smoke to the eastern Siberian city of Yakutsk, famous for being the coldest city on Earth. Usually pictured blanketed in snow, not smoke, residents here are alarmed. She's just, I don't know what this is. Although forest fires in summer are normal here, their ferocity this year is being blamed on unusually high temperatures. Along with smoke, they've also been spewing out record amounts of greenhouse gases. Scientists fear that this will further accelerate climate change in one of Earth's most fragile regions.